once again, my audience. How are you today, my friend?
Good, man. What's shaking today?
Well, as you can see, I did some of the body work and then I put back the epoxy on this baby again. You understand? Double. I want to make sure this thing is perfect. You remember you came and saw it before? So I did all the body work. You remember the joining here? See that? All taken care of now and epoxy back. So now I'm going to prep her again and then put on the urethane primer. And any little final, fault, if I find any, I already took care of most. The owner came and saw it. He was like, whoa. He saw it just as I finished priming. So that was wonderful news. You get to see it in the boot. I just took it up today. So now, as you can see, I got 100 pieces of parts in there. All belong to the baby over there. Finally. So I'm working on, as you can see, come in the boot. We got quite a bit of pieces for this Cuda, right? So they're all in here. Oh boy, look at all of these pieces. Now I gotta do them with an epoxy primer inside out for perfection. Understand? We don't play, All ready. Gotta blow it down in a minute. Oh yeah, this is crazy manufacturing, molding, and metalwork by Mr. Michael over there. Yeah, man. This is, of course, you know which one this is. His cover. When you open the hood, this guy. Amazing. So when I'm done, I'll do all the little body work around these so you won't see these things when you come back. You know what I mean? All that's gone. But right now I got to put the epoxy before I can do any body work on these guys because they're fresh metal. Like this one, as you can see, was already epoxy, but then we work on it again. So there was a few little body work, so I do it, then I'm going to epoxy again. I'm the double guy. I like to do double again, not regular primer. Back again, epoxy. That's the best way. Okay? See all of these bars ready? This is a back plate there for the bottom part, specially made, special for it, to complete the back end. All that metal work in there, you know what I mean? All molded. So do my first priming, and then we go from there again. See these bumpers all made, manufactured, put together, everything. This Cuda is gonna be #1. This guy is fussy guy, so we're making sure he's a happy man. Once again, the Restomod, one love. All right. This is the dream for everyone. They want to see this guy. Just look at this guy, like a rotisserie chicken at Swiss Chalet, eh? We're baking it, eh? This is how you do it. Have everything up in front of you on the rotisserie. You can turn him, you can spin him, you can do whatever you want. This is how you do work. I can get in here and do all my little detailing, everything I want to do. I can't wait till they put it in my hands. Michael's still doing his work on it until it rolls over there. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the baby. It's done. It's gonna be a pretty monster. A monster, we call this one. We are literally manufacturing this car from start to finish. Yeah. Okay. Restomod once again. One love.